Hello friends, now once again welcome back to my channel. Now student, today we are going to solve the exercise 4.4 quadratic equations, class 10th, subject math, exercise 4.4, chapter number quadratic equations. Now first this formula write here. D is equal to b square minus 4ac, where D is the discriminant
हाँ
D is the discriminant, means D is equal to b square minus 4ac. Now first condition, if D is greater than 0, second D less than 0, and third D equal to 0. means if D greater than 0 means D की वैल्यू जो है 0 से ग्रेटर हो, मीन्स पॉजिटिव हो, हैविंग रियल रूट, एंड D लेस देन 0 मीन्स नेगेटिव साइंस हो, मतलब जो भी वैल्यू हो वो D की वैल्यू 0 से छोटी हो, मतलब -1 -2, नेगेटिव साइन मीन्स हैविंग नो रियल रूट. एंड थर्ड, if D is equal to 0 means b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, then having two equal roots, means having equal roots. Okay student, this three formula. If D greater than 0, having real root, if D less than 0, no real root, and if D is equal to 0, having the equal roots. Okay student, this type formula related question we are going to solve the exercise 4.4 quadratic equation. Now this is the very important chapter, or this is the very important exercise. Now first read the question. Question number first are given below. Find the nature of the roots of the following quadratic equations. If the real root exists, find them. Means if the real root exists, find them. First questions are given here. First part, 2x square minus 3x plus 5 is equal to 0. Now comparison to these equations, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, a is equal to 2, b is equal to -3, and c is equal to 5. Now check discriminant D b square minus 4ac, then D b value -3 of square minus 4, a value 2, and c value 5. Then D is equal to 9 minus 4 to the 8, 8 5 the 40, means D is equal to -31, means D less than 0 means -31, so does not exist, means this no real root. Second part is satisfied, so having no solution means does not exist. Similarly, second part, 3x square minus 4 root 3x plus 4 is equal to 0. On comparison to this equations, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, a value 3, b value -4 root 3, and c value 4. Then D is equal to b square minus 4ac, D is the discriminant. Now put b value -4 root 3 square minus 4, a value 3, and c value 4. So 4 square 16 and root 3 square 3, 16 3 is 48, minus 4 3 is 12, 12 4 is 48. Then D is equal to 0, means 0 satisfies this condition, means third equation. So root x is equal to 2 roots minus b plus minus root d upon 2a. This formula of the nature of root minus x is equal to minus b plus minus root d upon 2a. Now put b value minus 4 root 3 plus root d value 0 upon 2, a value 3. So x is equal to minus minus plus 4 root 3 upon 6. Then 2 2 ja 4, 2 3 ja 6, and also we can write as 3 root 3 into root 3 cancel out. Then x is equal to 2 upon root 3 and 2 upon root 3. This is your answer. Now students, similarly, stop. Now student, you can see here question number 2. I read, find the value of k for each of the following quadratic equation so that they have two equal roots. Means two equal roots means discriminant is equal to 0. Find the value of k for each of the following quadratic equations so that they have two equal roots. Questions are given. You can see here on board. 2x square plus kx plus 3 is equal to 0. Now solution. Firstly, comparison to this equation of in the form of quadratic equation. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 and a is equal to 2, b is equal to k, c is equal to 3. For means for having equal root means d is equal to 0. That means discriminant is equal to b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. b value k of square minus 4a value 2, c value 3 is equal to 0. Then k square minus 4 to the 8, 8 3 24 is equal to 0. And k square is equal to 24. Then taking square root on both sides plus minus 2 root 6. This is your answer. Means k is equal to plus minus 2 root 6. Okay student, similarly you can solve the question number 2 of the second part. Now let's go to the question number 3. Question number 3 here. It is the possible to design a rectangular mango grove whose length is twice its width and its area is 800 meter square. Means कोई rectangular mango grove है जिसमें उसका लेंथ जो है उसकी विड्थ से 2 टाइम्स है. मीन्स लेंथ विड्थ भी x, तो लेंथ क्या हो जाएगा? लेंथ इज ट्वाइस, लेंथ इज 2x. Means length is twice of its width. Means length is equal to 2x, and its area is 800 meter square. Means A is equal to 800 meter square. Now student, you know that area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. So A given 800, length 2x and width x. So 2x square is equal to 800. Now x square is equal to 800 upon 2. Then x square is equal to 400. Taking square root, x is equal to plus minus 20. Means taking positive signs because length and width are the positive. So x is equal to 20. Then length is equal to 2 into 20 means 40 meter and width is 20 meter. Okay student. Now let's go to the solve the next question. Question number 4. Is the following situation possible if so determine their present ages? The sum of the age of two friends is 20 years. Means दो फ्रेंड्स हैं, उनका जो एज का सम है वो कितना है? 20 years. So let age of first friends be x years and age of second friends be क्या हो जाएगा? 20 minus x. Because we are solving here the chapter number 4 quadratic equation, so we can take here the only one variable Now 4 years ago the product of their age in years was 48. मीन्स 4 साल पहले जो उन दोनों की प्रोडक्ट एज का जो प्रोडक्ट है वो कितना है 48 ईयर्स. तो 4 ईयर्स एगो क्या हो जाएगा 4 ईयर्स एगो एज क्या हो जाएगा x माइनस 4. और सेकेंड फ्रेंड का सेकेंड फ्रेंड्स एज 4 ईयर्स एगो मीन्स 20 माइनस x माइनस 4 मीन्स 16 minus x, and the product of their age in 40 years was 48. Product of their age, then x minus 4 multiple 16 minus x is equal to 48. Multiple then 16x minus x square minus 64 plus 4x is equal to 48 minus x square 16x plus 4x 20x is equal to this negative transfer to right side will become positive 48 plus 64 minus x square plus 20x is equal to 8 4 12 6 4 10 and 1 11. So minus x square plus 20x minus 112 is equal to 0. Multiply minus both side we get, so this positive negative plus 112 is equal to 0. This does not exist means ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Comparison a value 1, b value minus 21, c is equal to 112. So d is equal to b square minus 4ac. This is the discriminant. b value minus 20 of square minus 4 4, a value 1, c value 1 1 2. 20 square means 400 minus 4 2 जा 8 4 1 जा 4 4 1 जा 4 means minus 48. Minus 48 means negative sign. Negative sign does not exist means not solution. Not solution. Okay, this is your answer because 400 minus 448 minus 48 means no real root, having no solution. Okay student, now your exercise 4.1 4.4 completed. Okay, now thank you.